Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today I thought I will make a video on application, how to apply. So for the college TH Köln, or for the course Automation and IT. If you remember this page or the Excel sheet where we were counting all the requirement analysis video that we have done for the winter semester and for summer semester, for electrical engineering courses, and green things are the one which we already made a video how to apply. And here when I was going through the list, I got to know Technical Hochschule Cologne for Automation IT. We have done a requirement analysis video and it can be applied via Uni-Assist, and the application is started in March 1st and application will end in April 30. So that's the reason I thought maybe I will make a video before that so that you guys have ample amount of time to apply and look for the same course if you are interested to apply. Before that, if you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with the people who are in need so that they can also look into our videos, check for our requirement analysis video, and also check for our application how to apply videos. Then they can easily get into any of the German university, public university. That's what we are focused on. Then start their master's degree which they like. Now we'll get back to the video. As I told you, today we will be going through how to apply for TH Köln for the course Automation and IT. In first part of the video, I usually go through again the requirement analysis in the official website of TH Köln. Then we will just go into Uni-Assist, then create an account, then log in and check for the course and put it in the cart. After that, in the second part of the video, I will show you how to fill in the normal educational details and any other documents that we have to put in. Then we will submit the application. This is what I will plan for two parts of the video. So please make sure you watch both the part. Then if any questions arises, then please feel free to comment it out. Now, as I told you, you can search for Technical Hochschule Cologne. Then you can click at their official website TH Köln. Once you clicked on their official website TH Köln, you can either change the language from Deutsch to English. So we will go for English. Then you can come under international. So once you clicked on international, here you can just see international degree program that they have offered. You can click on international degree program that they have offered. And here they have offered international degree program which is exclusively in English, then degree program including mandatory semester abroad, then degree program including courses taught in English. But we want degree program that are exclusively in English. That's what we did or we focused on when we did our requirement analysis, and we did the requirement analysis for Automation and IT master program. So in Automation and IT master program, you can just go through at glance what are the things that they are offering. As I told you in requirement analysis video also, it is Automation and IT and it's Master of Engineering. So usually it is also 120 ECTS credit points. So that would be 4 semester. And the beginning of semester is only full time. But here compared to all other courses, it has a part-time time program also. You can also do this full time and also do it part-time. So if you are doing part-time, then the part-time will be 2 semester extra. So you can do 6 semester, and full-time program will have 4 semester. So these are the things that I wanted to tell you. But they have also mentioned, please note, student enrolled in part-time program are not eligible for BAföG. Then after that, you can just go to program content. Once you clicked on program content, you can just see the program objective, module handbook, and other things. And here the modules, in the modules, that was the main thing that I wanted to tell you. In master degree includes following modules: industrial communication and infrastructure, information security, industrial automation, then integration, technical and business, information systems, modeling, simulation, technical system, control, case study, and master thesis. So these are the modules that you're gonna study or focus on more. Then if you want to deep dive into module handbook, you can just click on module handbook. Once you clicked on module handbook, they will have complete module handbook for master degree program Automation and IT. So here you can just see the study plan, how and what are the subjects that you're gonna do, and how much ECTS that module have. So you have to do the modules in industrial communication and information security, say example. Then they have 3 subjects: industrial IoT, industrial communication, IT security, which will counts up to 12 ECTS. Then usually it is focused on first semester 2 subjects and second semester for 1 subjects, like that. So you can just look into 120 ECTS, how they have segregated and what are the subjects that you're gonna do in each semester. So that is what, and you can also go into each subject in below and see what you're learning there. So that would be important if you want to dream that you have where you want to work on, which field you want to work. That's what I just wanted to tell you. And this module handbook is nothing but our module handbook from bachelor's also. If some people ask, we have to also apply or upload in the university website. Now after that we can click on how to apply on full time. So we are applying for full time course, so we will click on how to apply on full time. So here in the admission requirement, as I told you, you need to have a bachelor degree in suitable field, which is automation, electrical engineering, mechatronics, closely related disciplines. So here when they mention mechatronics will also come into picture, where mechanical engineer guys also can apply. But in your bachelor degree, if you have done any projects regarding electronics and electrical communication, so then it would be easy for you to get in. Otherwise, people who have done automation, which are electrical engineering, electronics and IT, information technology and computer science, and electronics and telecommunication, so all these closely related disciplines can apply. And you need to have a final degree grade of 2.5 good, which is German equivalent system. As I also told many other times, 2.5 will come under 7.3 to 7.4. so if you have a bachelor degree grade more than 7.4, 7.5 CGPA, then you are ready to apply. Then if you have not yet graduated, you may still apply for admission if you expected to graduate in the time of master degree program starts. So this means if you're in the 7th semester, then you can apply. But here is a tricky part. You're applying via Uni-Assist, and Uni-Assist will usually send you the admissions before June, July. So if you are graduating before June, July, then you can apply. If not, then it is very difficult. It is tricky. So that's the reason. Please make sure that you have finished the degree. Otherwise, think like in such a way that you will be finishing in July. So if that is not possible, then don't waste and apply, because you will be paying in Uni-Assist. So that's the reason. That's the hint I just wanted to give you. If you're a 7th semester student or 8th semester student, or almost in the verge of finishing, if you're finishing in before July, then apply. Otherwise, don't apply, because you will be wasting a Uni-Assist application money. You need to have a proof of English language certificate, which will be IELTS 6 minimum. So that is B2 level. So that's fine. Then you need to have a motivation letter submitted for master degree program. Here they have clearly mentioned application without motivation letter will be not considered. So please make sure you submit the motivation letter. And this is what I just wanted to tell you. Information for international applicants. If you are an international applicant, please be aware courses program usually start in mid-October. We strongly recommend to come to Germany in that time. We also recommend inquiring local German embassy consulate to visa processing in advance. So this is fine, because as soon as you get the admission, you can look for the German embassies in India or any of the country which you are applying, then get the visa. But here the tricky part is again APS. You have to wait for APS. But if you have already APS, then it would be cakewalk. But if you don't have APS, then it is a pain in the ass. But yeah, it's fine. But the main thing I wanted to mention is the final admission and rejection letter will usually send in late July. So this late July will be maximum July 15th. Thinking that you will finish 8th semester in before July 15th, then apply. Otherwise, don't apply. If you ask me, if you're a student who is in 8th semester, want to apply for this program, based on my experience, until July 15th, you won't get the degree. So for sure, you won't finish your exams or finish your 8th semester. So I will consider it as people who are applying only with the degree certificate already, or finished degree, at least they have PDC in hand. Okay, so then it will make easy, because people who are in 7th semester, 8th semester don't apply, because you are applying via Uni-Assist. Then it will cost, at the end you will get the rejection, then money will also be wasted. So that's why I will tell, don't apply. And people who are from EU and German applicants, then you can directly use their CAMPS website or web portal, then apply. But application for an international student, you have to require apply via Uni-Assist. Make sure you have read all information through the Uni-Assist, then apply in Uni-Assist. Then application period will be early March, which is 1st March, and application will end on April 30th. So make sure you apply before April 30th. Then you can click on Uni-Assist in order to apply. So here in the Uni-Assist, you can directly go to English and click on My Assist. So My Assist is the page where you have to create an account. Then you can load the course that you're looking for, then apply for it. So first I will go on to sign in. So as I told you, we have done numerous amount of Uni-Assist applications. So that's the reason I have already created an account and I have email and password. But if you don't have it, you can click on create a new account, given the email address and password. Then after you click read the condition, then you can click on create new account. Once you create a new account, it will ask for your previous bachelor degree details or PUCs or any of the degree certificates that you have. Then what are your interests and what are the things that you have done. It will ask for your bachelor certificate. So if you feel difficulty in filling what are the things that it asks, we have a dedicated video on how to set up Uni-Assist and Uni-Assist for 3 parts. So please go and check out those 3 parts where I have explained everything in detail for Uni-Assist. Then come to this part where we can directly log in. So now I will click on my email and password, then we can log in, then we can load the course. Now I have filled in my email address and password which I have created the account. Then after filling in the details, you can click and sign in. Once you clicked in the sign in, it will ask for your which course that you want to pursue and which you want to apply. So you can take out summer semester 2025. We are focusing on winter semester 2025-2026. Then here you can look for the university which is TH Köln. So this is the Technical Hochschule Cologne, TH Köln. Then you can directly search. So once you clicked on search, and these are the master degree courses that they are offering, but we are interested in automation and IT as I told you. Then you can also click on show details and what are the major minor subjects, full-time, automation and IT category and other things. So application is NC Fry. Then you can click on select. NC Fry is nothing but people who all goes through the requirement analysis, whatever they have requirements, everyone who passes the requirement, everyone will get an admission up to their certain limits. Say example 120, 240, 300 up to their college limits. Okay, then you can go into cart, which we have added our automation and IT details. Then you can also see here electronics and communication engineering. That's what we did it last time for University of Kassel, but you can remove it. So once you remove it, you can just see the first application always you do for a semester, then you need to pay 75 euros. So the first application always will be 75 euros. After that, it will be reduced to 30 euros. So that's what I just wanted to tell you. Then here we have to fill in additional application related questions where they will ask for our school details, bachelor details and other things. And we will be submitting our documents in the upload documents section. So then we are ready to submit the application. So, but these parts I will cover in the second part of the video. So see you in the second part of the video where I will show you how to apply and how to fill in the additional application related questions. Then at the end, we will be submitting application for TH Köln for automation and control IT. See you in next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.